Alright, lift gate. Let's go, ready? Come on, lift gate. I really don't need this right now. Sheesh. We gotta hit Home Depot again. Still going, let's get it. Okay guys, I know you're tired of seeing this. I'm gonna try to get this to fall that way and not hit that neighbor's fence tomorrow. It's gonna be very windy. See if we can get a money shot and not get injured. If I get hurt, I'll turn the camera off and you'll never know about this. That's not funny, but you know. Ready for the money shot, YouTube? It's gonna go that way, hopefully. I didn't test this out yet. Yeesh. There's still rafters of joists, so I'm kind of not trying to get crushed. Kind of. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. You guys are my witness. It's time to go. I'm gonna cut up what I can, throw it in here, and head out. Tomorrow I gotta come back, chop this up, load it, and go. Bingo. I believe this board might have been fighting the whole time. Sheesh. YouTube really fast. I'm at the landfill to dump. I went back last night and got more of that shed. It's up to 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts today. 50-mile-an-hour winds, that's insane. There's dust storms and everything up here. I don't see very many birds. They're probably all blown 2 miles away or something. Alright guys, I'll get more little while. Guys, this wind is dangerous. I'm not joking, it's like throwing boards and stuff. Oh my gosh. I'll get more footage in a little while. I need to get out of here for like ASAP. YouTube. I gave up on the shed today. I told her, look, it's too windy, it's dangerous. I'll be there tomorrow. And she's like, that's fine. Came back to my storage unit. I gotta break down some air conditioned units. Got some non-ferrous. I got some plumber's brass. More plumber's brass. Motors, all for dishwashers, 3 of them. Back there are some window units. If I have time, maybe I'll bust some of them up. And this tire killed my Sawzall. That's 2 that died already. Maybe I can finish cutting it. I cut through most of it, but just a little bit at a time because I don't want to mess the motor up. I'm gonna just bust down these AC units, get some non-ferrous together, and go make a couple dollars. Go to the scrapyard afterwards. Ladies and gentlemen, everything must go, but it's over 50-mile-an-hour winds today. I got a metal folding by folding door and a bed frame as well. Not taking that TV because that has to go to Al Metals, but I'm probably going to Joppa today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Empty truck bed. Real fast, guys. I just spent like over 5 minutes taking the brass part off of the doorknob, and it was not easy. You gotta beat that little tongue or whatever tip down, and then it took me forever. I had to cut it with a Sawzall, all kinds of stuff. Time versus reward, YouTube, so it's probably not worth it. But I also damaged the knob, so that's probably why. Yeah, this one's coming right off. I beat that one and it damaged the shape, so it wasn't easy. Come on off of there, brass. Come on, baby. Come on, brass. Woo! There we go. Sweet. A lot of older doorknobs have brass on them, and now I would say, I guess the premium knobs have brass. Okay, this is all, we'll call that steel pile, brass solar. Got a little collection right here. I'm gonna get them in a bucket in a little while. Keep going, guys. Hopefully you can see this. Radiator recovery, copper recovery. Keep all your screws and small sharp parts out of the roads. Okay, so this usually has a big old nut on it and holds this in here, and you got to cut it or not cut the nut off or unscrew it. Don't want flat sheet metal laying in this bed because it's very windy today. Very windy. I gotta bend it up or something so it won't catch. Beautiful radiator. Yeah, we're gonna have to bury this guy. Nobody likes insulation. That shed was full of insulation. less likely to fly out of the bed. Okay, 2 more. Sometimes these old ones that are rusty just snap off. Other times they strip, or they will not budge. Nice. Steel weight, steel weight. Any real clean copper, I get them saving. My brother got a kiln. We are smelting metal soon. It's a nice little piece of copper, bro. Keeping number 1 kinda. This is a little dirty. It ain't bare bright, but this is all good copper. We're gonna scrap some of it, but anything nice we're keeping. It's too cold to be smashing your thumbs, guys. That did not feel good. Sheesh. Okay. Make sure before you cut these, there's no screws, because you'll hit steel and it'll damage your blade right away. Probably do this on the ground because it's windy to rust and it'll shoot everywhere if not. I'm gonna cut the macaronis off. Macaroni, macaroni, macaroni. Beautiful job, beautiful job. Macaroni, macaroni. That's 1/2 of a clean radiator. We got a bunch more to go. I'm gonna get more footage in a little while, guys. Moving right along. Okay. I took all the screws out already. I missed one. I usually miss one, I swear, every time. Took all the screws out already. There's no oil, gas, or whatever at all in this. There's a little bit of residue down there though. We have a motor. We need that motor. Keep your wires. These are actually aluminum, these fins. This is steel motor. The quickest way I do it is this. One, see the hole, it's less cutting. Cut it on the hole, it's a little bit less. Technically they're dirty aluminum. Motor. There's a few motors up there. Whoops. Okay. I'm gonna keep working on this guy, get this radiator as well. We got a bunch of wires in here. Woo! There's 2. Beautiful. Moving right along. Real fast, ladies and gentlemen. So this isn't much metal at all. There's a decent amount of radiators and stuff in there, a little bit of non-ferrous. Well, go look for a little bit more metal and then take it to the yard. Let's get it, guys. There's a couple dollars in radiators in here, I know that. But there's not a whole lot of steel weight. Then we got some plumber's brass, a decent amount, and a little bit of copper as well. YouTube, I just rode to the apartments I always come to across from my storage unit. I texted the maintenance guy, he didn't answer, but I talked to a guy that's working up there and he said I can have this refrigerator right here. So I'm gonna park right next to him. It's gonna take me a minute to organize everything, but that fridge is going with us. Okay guys, this ain't gonna be as easy, but we are gonna make this work. Putting a fridge in here. Might go straight to the scrapyard after this. Beautiful. Then we flip it up on here. My brother's tailgate is raised pretty high actually. I'm gonna throw the plastic drawers and everything out. I'm gonna throw these away probably, so nothing flies out in the wind. But yeah, we got a refrigerator. Get more footage in 1 second. We made a nice little hole. Yeah. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. We don't want these to fall out. Beautiful. Great timing. Okay, ready? It's going down. I'm gonna load this up, facing that way, strap it up good, and we're heading out, guys. Yeah. Alright guys, we're heading to the scrapyard. Let's get it. Not bad. Scrapping with the cap on the truck. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. He's got a fridge in there horizontal. Awesome. I would definitely do that. You could strap it on the roof too, bro. Looking at 6,040. Let's go throw this out, guys. Everything must go, YouTube. The show must go on. Wave high for the camera. today, guys. Up to 50 mile-an-hour winds, not all day long. Sheesh. Maybe this will hold it from blowing away. Oh, I gotta ask you about this because you're not supposed to throw these here, but I cut it. And I opened the thing off the bottom, but they might still not take them. And I'm not arguing with these people. I'll go ask him in 1 minute. See what he says. Ready? Heads up, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna throw the rest of this out and get more footage when I'm done, guys. We got lots of non-ferrous radiators. Real quick, guys, it dropped down like 20 pounds earlier too. Whatever I said, I believe it dropped down like 20, maybe even 40, I forget. $5,700, $5,720, something like that. It keeps fluctuating. Let's go do the non-ferrous, get paid, and head out. It's freezing and it's windy. Really fast, YouTube. Check it out. We had 6,020 pounds for our gross weight. Our tear was 5,700 pounds. 320 pounds total was $20. Not bad at all. And then the non-ferrous was pretty good. Radiators, gross weight 47 pounds, 70. Sealed units 161, 32, 20. Copper number 2, 2880. Brass irony 1215. Electric motors, 34 pounds of motors was $8. Aluminum sheet 225. Wire, the house wire 1125 for a total 161 equals 120, 40, 60, $81. 181. Not bad at all, because I made this out of zero today. I wasn't even supposed to be scrapping. Supposed to finish tearing the base of that shed down, but it's okay. On to the next one. I'm going to look at a cleanup in Edgewood because it's still way too windy for me to go do that shed right now. Thank you for watching. Everything must go. We'll get more footage in the morning. Appreciate every one of you. Really quick, YouTube. Just know I am out here working. We're getting it done. What are the chances? It's like every curveball on possible. Look at this. You gotta be kidding me. That's not possible. I really don't need this right now. Sheesh. We gotta hit Home Depot again. Still going. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's not a game, YouTube. Wowzers. Broke the freaking breaker bar. Gasolina. Gasolina. I didn't record any of the rest of the shed today, guys. I showed you I broke that freaking breaker bar. I gotta go get a new one, see if they got a warranty. I did, however, just go pick up 2 AC units, another radiator, a furnace, and another radiator. I think that's the indoor heat, forget what it's called. I don't think this is a furnace though. It's called a heat circulator or something like that. Yeah. I'm gonna do something with this though. I still gotta go back to this shed job and get like the rest of the sheet metal that's there, the aluminum, and 4 or 5 more cinder blocks. And then I'm completely finished. Working, guys. We ain't playing, YouTube. We're out here in the dark. So the whole shed's done. I'm about to go grab the metal, a shovel, my trash can, and like 5 or 6 cinder blocks, and I'm finished. It's been a very long, difficult job, but we're almost finished. Rather than have to come back up here tomorrow morning when it's not necessary.
In 1 mile, turn right.
Real quick, YouTube. Grabbing this metal. Got the light on. I gotta pop these cinder blocks out, throw them in here, strap this down, put stuff in front of it, and then we're out of here. Beautiful job. The whole thing's done. I spent forever cleaning this yard up too, guys. All right, I'll get more footage when we break these down. YouTube. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. I'm on the way to the scrapyard. I have a load on here. It's not a lot. It's probably a decent amount. I didn't record anything scrapping today. Started this to show you guys the cutest thing in the world. I got this directly out of a dumpster too. Get out of here, bro. It's a little baby one, like a Christmas ornament or a keychain DeWalt thing. Also, I opened the one that John W got me today, and I used it actually because I broke my thing that holds your drill bits, your impact bits. You are the man, John. Again, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. This footage probably won't come out until after Christmas, so I hope everybody had a great holiday, safe holiday, seen your family, all that good stuff. I'm still driving my brother's truck. Supposed to go to CarMax today or tomorrow. I might have a very nice vehicle by the time you see this. Everything must go, YouTube. Even baby DeWalt Christmas ornament keychain toy things. C for Clark. Welcome to Jumping Ground. We're removing appliances. I literally have like a half hour to do all this. I don't have enough time. This is not in order. There's already a washer dryer combo and a microwave on my brother's truck. I'm going to look at a new truck in like 1 hour, so I really am pushing it. This is why I'm late, bro. I gotta get this out here and go. I just wanted to real quick get a little bit of footage. Let's get it, guys. There's new ones. You guys want to take these? It's a joke. All right, let's get it. Come on, baby. Okay. Easy day, YouTube, easy day. It's funny how these apartment appliances They're always different, meaning some of them could have been in their units for years before they started getting other brands or whatever. It's a Whirlpool. Looks like it lasted a while. You're coming with me, Whirlpool. Hope everybody had an amazing Christmas. My footage comes out like 3 weeks after I recorded a lot, so it's not Christmas yet, but it will be in like a week. And by the time you see this, it'll probably be like January 14th or something. Let's get it, guys. What? Hold up. There we go. There we go. My brother is coming with me to look at a truck. I'm sure he's gonna be calling me in about 20 minutes and asking me what I'm doing. And he's gonna be like, man, them refrigerators can wait. You got a new truck to look at. I'm gonna say, I know, bro, I know. But I had to do it, bro, I had to. Every fridge must go, YouTube. Watch the landmines. Yeah, this is completely random because I didn't record most of it, to say the least. I didn't record yesterday's whole trip either because I got so much footage right now on my computer at home. Alright, lift gate. Let's go, ready? Come on, lift gate. Keep your hands in the vehicle at all time, guys. Now I gotta put a stove on here and get out of here, guys. YouTube. We just left CarMax in White Marsh, Maryland, and it is very dark. We're driving something different though. Ooh, this thing looks nice.